Morphometric study of foramen magnum and its clinical significance. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The foramen magnum is a large opening in the occipital bone of the cranium. Diameters of the foramen magnum are important because vital structures pass through it and for sex determination of skulls. The aim of the chapter is to study the longitudinal diameter, transverse diameter, and various shapes of the foramen magnum. In the present study, a total of 30 human skulls were used to show the longitudinal diameter, transverse diameter, and various shapes of the foramen magnum. The dimensions of the foramen magnum are clinically important because vital structures passing through it may endure compression, such as in cases of foramen magnum herniation, foramen magnum meningiomas, and foramen magnum achondroplasia. Knowledge of foramen magnum diameters is needed to determine some malformations, such as Arnold-Chiari syndrome, which shows expansion of the transverse diameter. The knowledge of foramen magnum shapes can guide surgeons in instrumentation and manipulation around the region. Introduction. The foramen magnum is a hole located at the base of the skull that plays a critical role in connecting the brain to the spinal cord. It allows important structures like the brainstem, nerves, and blood vessels to pass through, enabling communication between the brain and the rest of the body. The foramen magnum is formed by different parts of the occipital bone and can vary in shape and size. These variations are important because they can affect health, especially when it comes to certain medical conditions. For instance, variations in the size or shape of the foramen magnum can impact the risk of injury or complications during surgeries. Conditions like achondroplasia, Arnold-Chiari malformation, or certain skull deformities can also be linked to changes in the foramen magnum. Understanding its size and structure is crucial for doctors, surgeons, and forensic experts. It helps them assess the risk of conditions like spinal cord compression or brain herniation, which can have serious consequences if left untreated. In medical practice, the study of the foramen magnum is vital for understanding how the skull and spine function together, and it's important for diagnosing and treating a variety of neurological disorders. Conclusion. The morphometric analysis of the foramen magnum and its variations is important not only for anatomists but also to anesthetists, neurosurgeons, orthopedic surgeons, and radiologists. The shapes can guide surgeons in instrumentation and manipulation around this region. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.